Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just figured I'd make a short video of the inside of the car with the Audi tuning catback exhaust with stock downpipes, the 034 Motorsport Stage 1 93 octane tune, and I do have the Stage 2 TCU tune. I figured I'd get one last video of the exhaust before I put the catless downpipes on. I will be taking a bunch of more videos once I get the downpipes on, so stay tuned for those. And if you haven't seen me cold start this thing, this has a catback from Audi Tuning, the touring edition with mufflers. So let's get this thing started, get on the road, and get into the video. If you haven't seen my other videos with the highway pulls and the cold start and exhaust revs when I was stock, check those out. I got also a couple videos with the Stage 1 tune as well, so check those out. This is just like a final in the car because I don't think I've done a inside the car since I've done this tune bundle, you know, the Stage 1 ECU and the Stage 2 TCU. All right guys, like I said, we're doing an in the car point of view video today. Let me hand it off to my boy. All right guys, we're just in, you know, sport mode, but I didn't change the drive mode. It's still in comfort. Maybe you hear better with the sunroof not cracked. So as you can see with the TCU tune, get more crackles. Definitely shifts much quicker and much harder. All right, let's just get a quick second gear downshift and see what that looks like. Still stock blow off valves also, if you can hear those, because I have atmospheric dump valves on the way, so I'll have that video up here soon also. Here maybe with the window down we can hear a little better, because that's where the intake side is. Alright, we got a little distance, just a little bit from the car in front of us, so let's get a wide open throttle pull from 60. Car's a little hot. It is says 79, 80 degrees out today. Engine oil temps at 214. Quick little 70 hit. All right guys, you know we got to get a 034 Motorsport Dynamic Plus Tune attempted launch control. Remember, I'm doing gas and brake with one hand. Like I said, stock downpipe before I get the aftermarket downpipe installed. Let's get it in sport mode. ESC off. Whew, those shifts were freaking solid. Solid. All right, one more. Hopefully my cameraman can get the red line shift and where it shifts at in this one, and I got the windows down this time. And then we'll do one in manual. Just starting second from 30. Alright guys, tomorrow I will be installing those Carbon Labs catless downpipes, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, you know, drop a like. If you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate a subscribe. And you know, talk to me in the comments, and if you got any questions, just put them in the comments, guys. All right, on to the next one.